is rapid fire. Your favorite food?
Food. Favorite food is litti chokha from Bihar.
Your favorite holiday destination? National and international.
I think Goa has become my favorite now. Okay.
Thank you.
And international is France.
One role of another actor you wish you could have played?
One role. I wish I have played Devadas, but it is played by so many other people. You know, I just missed the bus.
One role that's been closest to your heart, your own.
My own role, that Biko Mahadre will always be much more closer to me than anyone, because that has given me a career, and also the adulation, the euphoria, the energy that we've seen with the audience. Because after that, after that, the multiplexes have come in, so we lost that. That kind of
the whistles,
the whistles, the energy of the audience. We started losing that with the multiplexes coming.
Do you watch films of other actors?
Or do I do watch a lot of films.
And who do you admire the most?
I admire too many actors. You know, I admire really too many actors.
Your favorite actor?
KK Menon, I love him. You know, Irfan, I really liked him. Nawaz, I like him. But you know, in the stars, I know someone like Shahid Kapoor. You know, I really feel that he's a very, very talented person.
So, Hansal Mehta or Ram Gopal Varma?
Ram Gopal Varma, and I mean, this is a very tough choice. Hansal is a friend, but Ram Gopal Varma has given me a career. So you can't compare him with any.
So if I ask Biko Mhatre or Shrikant Tiwari, I am sure you will choose Biko Mhatre.
Always. Biko Mhatre always on top of the game.
And who, as per you, is the best newest actor from Ayushmann, Vicky, Nawaz, Rajkumar?
All of these guys, you know, all of them are so talented. You can't really compare them. You know, all of them are coming up with their own strength. But Nawaz is somebody, you know, I know him since my theatre days. This guy, you know, no matter how quiet he looks, he's a very clever actor. You know, you should really be on your toes if you're acting with him. He's very intelligent.
A director you want to work with?
Director I want to work with? There are too many actually. I want to work with Jallikattu's director, Lijo from Malayalam industry. I am dying to work with him, but he doesn't listen to me that much. Sanu Sridharan again. I want to work with Vetri Maran from Tamil Nadu. From Hindi, who else here? I think I worked with most of them. Yeah. So
like a Bansali or a Rajkumar Hirani,
they don't make the films where they require my kind of actor. Yeah. So I don't think, you know. So I'm. But other than that, you know,
more or less.
I like to work with all new directors, new promising directors. This is what I do. I chase them, I coax them. I'm working with Karnu Bahel, who is also my favorite director. I'm working with Ram Reddy, who is also one of my favorite. Tithi. So you know, I'm
working with most of them. So when you're not shooting or you're not working, what's your favorite pastime?
When I'm not shooting, not working, I try to explore all the OTT content. I give a little bit of time to my daughter and take all the tantrum from her, take all this scolding from my wife, read a little bit, try to catch up on my reading. So yeah, I mean, this is the...
So you're the true family man when you're not working?
Yeah, the Shrikant Tiwari is not a family.
Not a family.
Manoj Bajpayee is a family.
And what's your guilty pleasure?
My guilty pleasure? I think the champagne or wine. Yeah.
And Goa for you means?
I think it's going to be second home.
Wonderful. We look forward to that. Thank you so much.
Cheaper land here.
Doing his number.
I can find you a good architect and design.
Yes.
So, thank you so much. I'll come to you for this and then we'll take some pictures. So, your favorite food?
My favorite food is Sai Bhaji. It's a Sindhi dish with spinach.
And your favorite holiday destinations?
It used to be Goa till I moved here. Now I'm looking for another one.
And international?
International is always London. It was a home for me a long time ago.
So one one script that you wish that you would have written.
One script that I wish I would have written. Okay, this is a tough one. Not expecting. I like Heather a lot. I like Vishal Bhardwaj's films, and I feel like Heather is one of those films that I wish I'd written.
Okay, and do you, look at other people's work and find inspirations or criticism?
Of course, because that's what keeps us on our toes. The more good work they do, the more we are challenged.
Out of your work, which is the closest to your heart?
Aligarh, it gave me a voice. It allowed me to, work as a writer, as an editor, to write dialogues, to get into it. And thanks to Hansal Mehta, he gave me a certain kind of ownership of the film. So I think that one, Satya, of course, is another league only. It's emotional, it's sentiment. Like everything he said about Biko Matre. Imagine that me sitting at the end of the table going, "Oh my God, this is going to be amazing!" The Mumbai ka King Kong, usko stay rakho uspe.
And which is the director you find working best with, the working equation?
I thought Hansal and I share a very good equation as director, and I enjoy working with Zoya Akhtar also as an editor. Right now, I think Sameer Nair, producer, because like he said, the OTT medium is it's changed a little bit right now. So it's writers, actors, and the producer, I think, plays a very, very significant role. So Sameer Nair is somebody I think who's made stand on this.
Who, according to you, is the new age actor that you like or admire the most?
Who do I like? I like Rajkumar very much. I mean, I've worked on Shahid and Aligarh with him, so I would say that. I like Manoj Bajpayee. He's one of the best new age actors. New age actors for digital. Because on digital, he's the first digital superstar.
And what's your guilty pleasure?
My guilty pleasure is getting drunk and dancing.
And your favorite
Why would
pastime?
you do that?
No, really.
After 5 months.
And your favorite pastime when you're not working?
I like to swim and I like to ride my bicycle.
And what do you mean? Apart from being just home.
Goa to me means freedom, it means creativity, and it means humility.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful talking to both of you.
Thank you very much.
And if we can just take some pictures.
Yay!